Hawaii lawmakers are proposing that the state purchase the iconic Hawaii Theater in downtown Honolulu.
Our Daryl Huff says it could be a lifeline for the century-old venue that's facing a new challenge.
After struggling for years, the Hawaii Theater now says they're financially sustainable and able to survive, except recently they got hit with a massive insurance bill.
We all of a sudden were faced with this rather staggering bill. It was gutting, certainly, to see the number and see where we were.
Hawaii Theater Board Chair Timothy Howell said insurance for the 103-year-old theater last year cost $2 per $1,000 of coverage, which enabled them to carry a $45 million policy. But this year, the cost went to $90 per $1,000. They could only afford $5 million in coverage, far less than replacement cost.
We can't afford more coverage, and we can't afford to have a catastrophic event at $5 million or more. That would put us in a very difficult situation in terms of keeping the theater alive.
We have met with both the House and Senate and have talked about it.
The result is a resolution urging the state to acquire the property. The state has a history of supporting Hawaii Theater in the past with about $30 million in preservation grants, and lawmakers are still sympathetic.
I think it's incredibly important, coming from a performing arts background, to be able to find unique ways to support the Hawaii Theater. We certainly don't want to lose them.
To get it out of the ups and downs of the private market, this would allow it to go forward in perpetuity for the benefit of the community.
The nonprofit Hawaii Theater Center proposes that the state own the building while they still manage it. They were banking enough money to plan needed repairs and updates until the insurance bill hit. The details would have to be worked out with the governor and lawmakers.
Whether or not it's upfront cash versus some sort of paper transfer, we would just love to have the conversation.
It's not a white elephant, is because it's a valuable piece of property. And even if things went horribly wrong somehow and we had to sell it off, we still would get our money out of it.
We want to make sure that everyone has access to performing arts and to the theater and the magic of it.
Even if it doesn't cost taxpayers money, it could take a while before the state acquires the Hawaii Theater, because land acquisition in the state government is not a simple process. Reporting from Chinatown, Daryl Huff, Hawaii News Now.